Hi, I have released a new automated MQL4 crowd algo trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Day 10 is January the 10th and the markets are closed. Today is Sunday and that means that we had a long breakfast and will go on a walk in half an hour or so. Sunday usually is my learning day and there are always interesting things to learn. I have a few good books in the shelf and actually I am also using an app from a website that is called Scribd.com. This website offers digital books, PDFs and audio books for a monthly membership fee of about $10 or so, and it is very worth it. When I had to drive to my former main employer, I used to listen to audio books for about 3 hours each day, because that was my usual commute on top of the 9 hours in the company. Since June 2018 I work from home. I no longer have a full-time job and by now make good money with my own little company. I still need to exchange some time for money to cover basic things like health insurance, but that is actually just a few hours each week. Therefore I have time spans that are not planned by anybody else. So what should you do with your next hour? Should you read something or listen to something? Should you do backtesting or strategy planning? Should you spend that hour with your family? Or would you rather spend that time binge watching on Netflix? We have so many options, so what would be a good way to make the best decision? So here is what works for me. I have stuff that I need to do and I have also stuff that I want to do, and time is a restricted resource. Therefore I like to use automated solutions like my algo trading systems or the automated voice solution for this video. Work that can't be automated can be outsourced for some things. For example, I use an external company that acts as the seller for my premium courses and does the taxes and invoicing in foreign countries. And I pay people to transcribe my programming video recordings. And some stuff can be eliminated. I have eliminated my external office and I have eliminated to offer live seminars. Instead I focus on online courses. But some things cannot be automated, outsourced or eliminated. I don't want a robot to go on an automated trip with my family. And I don't want to outsource familiar interaction to some other guy. Therefore I will now spend the next hours with them, because that is why we do all that automated trading stuff, right? Later I will add a picture and upload this video. That is all for today. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, just keep watching this automated content and be my guest. Thank you for your attention and best regards from snowy Germany, Raymond Bauer.